Hi there, welcome back to SnowGuard Buyer's Guide by Snowblocks. This is a series where we are overviewing the panel manufacturers in our industry and explaining which of our snow retention products are going to be compatible. Today we're looking at ATAS International and the 9 different standing seam panels that they manufacture. All 9 of these panels are going to be compatible with a polycarbonate glue down system, such as our Ice Jacks 1, our Ice Jacks 2, the Deuce and the Ace, as well as the Breaker and the glue down or 3M. The first 6 on the chart here are also going to be able to do a clamp-on system, which gives you the ability to do a snow bar or color bar with the snow bar clamp, as well as the RCB3 system utilizing the RCT. You're also going to be able to do a snow cleat system with the RC or RCT. The difference between the last 3 on the chart here, the PC system, the Monarch, and the PC system Batten, you're not going to be able to do any clamp-on style systems. You're only going to be able to do a glue-down polycarbonate system. You're going to want to find your ground snow load. Your number will tell you how much snow on average you get per year. If you're above 45 pounds per square foot, you're going to want to go with the bar system if your panel is compatible. Key things to remember with all 9 of these standing seam panels and all standing seam panels in the industry, you're never going to want to screw down into the panel. You're only going to want to clamp on or glue down in between the seams. This blog is available at www.snowjacks.com in the blog section. You can also get a free layout on this website underneath the resources tab and underneath Snowbar price quote and SnowGuard price quote. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.